This is the Scott AW15, and realigned it, but it's still not quite right on the highest shortwave band, which covers 10 megs to 22.5 megs. And I suspected the local oscillator was cutting out round about 13 megs, somewhere around that 12 to 13 megs, because a sudden drop off in noise, and I couldn't detect any signals below that frequency. So I thought I'd have a sniff around with an H probe. So the H probe is positioned a couple of inches from the end of the coil. It's the oscillator coil that's in circuit at the moment, which is the highest shortwave band. And I've got a mini spectrum analyzer looking at the frequency. So I've got it set such that the local oscillator is tracking low of the signal frequency. So it's set at approximately 22 megs, and resolution of the mini spectrum analyzer is such that it's showing 21.5 thereabouts, and at the sort of maximum frequency that the receiver will tune to, which is it's off the scale, so it's around about 23 megahertz there. And as I wind it down the band, the local oscillator output is remarkably steady and rather clean as well, which is good. So the start frequency is set for 10 megahertz. And the cutoff starts round about here. The amplitude drops 13 megahertz, and it's cutting off there. So there's a sharp cutoff just over 13 megahertz on the local oscillator.